Hello guys, today I will show you how you can buy crypto with a credit card on Trust Wallet. So first of all, click on buy, then write the amount here, then select the coin you want to buy. Like I will select Ethereum for example. Then here you can select the payment method. I have selected card, pay with card. Then you can select the provider like this one, and then tap on buy now. It will take you to another website, and here click on proceed by ETH. Here you will add your email, then click on proceed. Now it will ask for OTP. Now here select card, then put your card details, and then click on confirm, and your transaction will be completed. So that's how you can buy crypto with a credit card on Trust Wallet.